Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. Okay, alright, just a little disclaimer because my camera has busted. In the meantime, I'm filming on my phone, not the best quality, but this is the reason why I'm going like this and not like this. Okay, right, on to the film. Okay, with all that out of the way, the housekeeping, you will know by now from the title that this is about me using the good stuff from back in the 80s when Jheri was a thing, okay? When we were all in the S-Girl, Lusters was the thing. And I've seen plenty of videos where people are trying the Lusters S-Curl, the Jheri curl, whatever, curl activator. They've been trying this and quite frankly, I don't like to be getting on the bandwagon, but for this one, I want to try it. I'm a little bit nervous about it because the contents, you know, the ingredients, we'll get into that later. But if you want to see it, I suggest you call Nana, say Nana or Kofi, come and watch my sister. So for those of you that don't know about this product, this is the Lusters S-Curl Curl and Wave Gel Activator. So it says it's anti-frizz with olive oil and with argan, and it's paraben free. Sounding quite good already. It restores the hair's proper moisture balance. So when it says things like this, I'm hoping that the ingredients is very clean. We shall see. Its main aim is to give you curls, waves, and moisture. Granny eyes, okay? Don't laugh at me. So I'm gonna read the ingredients so the ingredients here is water, it's always very good. Glycerin, another good one because that's just humectant. It's going to draw moisture from the air. And we've got, yes, something with 11 letters. I don't know even that one. Oh, and then we got argan oil, olive oil, benza bola bola. I don't know that. Hola, yeah, sheshe. I don't know that either. Perfume. Hey, my goodness. Yeah. Then it's got the cinnamon blue something, which is for the colouring probably. And then we've got a whole load of things that I don't know how to, I don't know how to pronounce them. I'm being a bit brave to try this because my hair is really coming on, you know. I'm in the June challenge at the moment, which crosses over from June the 15th to July the 15th. The last date is coming very soon. But I am going to be teaming it up with this, and this is the coconut one. So we are going to combine these two. I'm going to show you my hair right now. So we are hoping to get some lovely results from the S-Curl, Jheri curl gel. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair. I'm going to detangle and deep condition, and I'll come back when my hair has got the leave-in conditioning. Because girl, you didn't think I was going to put it fresh on the hair. No. All right, so I'm coming back. Same right there. Okay then, I'm back. I have done everything. So I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioning because everybody knows you have to have a barrier. So I'm gonna put some Amari Me leave-in conditioner. I'll just put it up here because the camera is just, you know, it's not doing it. I don't care. Satan, not today, okay? Just gonna put some just all over the hair strands. Okay, now that I've done all the sections, right, it's up, a little bit nervous. Okay, so then now I had wanted this to be a bit more authentic, so I thought I'd leave this, oh, I can smell a bit of it. I thought I'd leave the smell until I'm on the video. Oh. Wow, that is so strong of chemicals. What am I doing? It's very runny. Okay, it's runny. Let's have a look at the plop test. Okay, that's it's no hold whatsoever. So this is not a holding gel. They do not claim for it to be a holding gel. Goodness. All right, I'm committed now. By the way, this was only $3.99 for a 10.5 ounce tub. That is cheap, okay. Woo! I'm excited as well though. So I'm gonna go with just that much. Okay, so, all right. I'm gonna try not to put it on my roots or my scalp. I want to see my hair curl. Whoa, the shine is there. Ooh, the shine is there. The other thing I was going to say is I'm not going to be using any tools no brush, no comb, nothing. I want this to do what it says it's gonna do. It's gonna curl my hair. I'm just gonna be raking it, smoothing it in just to clump it, because that's what I do normally. Smooth the product in. It's very watery and it's got a ton of slip, which is really good. It's just the smell. Can you see the shine on that? Can you see the shine? And it's curling kind of nice. So it's been about 4 minutes. Oh, come on. Okay, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, so far, are we seeing this? Kind of impressed. It feels good, and the other thing it said that it helps, reduces the shrinkage. So last time, I don't want to see a millimeter shorter. So we're going in with the Eco Styler. So I'm gonna put this much on for this whole section here, which should take it up another notch or two. Okay, it's giving it some weight, it's definitely giving it some clumping, some extra clumpage going on there. Now, okay, I am back, it's completely done. It's clumping up nicely, as best as this camera can do. Hair looks like now. I have to say it took me about 10 minutes in total once I got the hang of what I was doing, which is basically applying it, smoothing it and clumping it with my hands by raking. It was just so easy. I've got low to medium density, so not that much hair that I need to cover. Anyway, it's added some nice weight to my low to medium density. I usually air dry my wash and go, but today I've got a special guest. Wait up. The Dyson has entered my chat. This is not sponsored. I'm just happy to be able to indulge. It is expensive, but I don't care. This thing, hey, we are going to be friends forever. So I'm going to be using the diffuser on this. This is actually the first time I'm using it, so very excited. All right, let me go and show off. Okay, so I just got to come up. Let's go check the curl. Ooh. Yes, man. Looking good. Okay, we're just gonna carry on, okay? Just getting excited. Okay, at this stage, it is completely dry. Completely dry, okay? Right, now, it's completely dry, but it's totally sticky. Like everybody else on the videos have all said that there's this kind of stickiness when they touch their hair. Yeah, it's annoying, that sticky feeling. Now I do have the wet look. If I was going for that, it would be a mighty fine. There's no crunch, which I was really not looking forward to the crunch. The amount of eco gel that I was putting in my hair, never put that much in my hair. And the other thing that I did was I made sure that this hairdryer was on the cool setting the whole time. Basically, I didn't want to do a Michael Jackson and set my hair ablaze. Yeah, I didn't want that to happen. So with all of these chemicals in the product, I didn't know what it was gonna do to my hair. But I haven't yet used Mr. Pick, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it out and see if it's made any difference. I'm not with this Frida floppy hair. It is so flat. This is curly hair. It should be big and voluptuous and everybody should see my curls. Anyway, that's over the top. Let me go and pick out my hair. Okay, so I've tried my best to pick it out. And I started to create some frizz. You can see it there. I started to create some frizz and I just thought, you know what, to stop the thing, okay? Stop it. Basically, the curls look lovely. They're nicely moisturized. they're really nicely defined. It's not sticking together. Even though you're left with some sticky residue, the curls are separated nicely. And my hair is lovely and soft without any crunch. To be fair, I think this is a really great wash and go, but it's so limp. Too much product, I think. This is way too heavy for my type of hair, especially my density. But we are not knocking it because it has done a good job. So Lusters, you know, you didn't do too bad, but would I be using this again? Probably not, because I can get a really good wash and go that has volume and shine and moisture. Maybe not as soft as this, but this is just limp hair. I'm probably going to wash it out tomorrow morning because I don't like the fact that it's got ingredients in it. I have no idea what they are. I have not even researched it. Not in me, eh? I appreciate you putting up with me on this video. Thank you so much to my new subscribers. Thank you for joining Mel's World. And if you are new here, you know, you might as well subscribe. And of course, I never leave a video without saying, to my online friends, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your conversation. Even though I haven't even contacted some of you back yet, I am getting there. And let me know in the comments. I want to know who else has tried this because, yeah, it's interesting. One last thing. I don't know if you've noticed, I'm now at 20 plus subscribers. Hey! I have you guys to thank for that. I'm going to give a giveaway because I'm so grateful to so many of you. Obviously, I will leave the details in the description bar so you can see how you can have a chance of winning. So I'm going to be giving 2 of the Amari Me Grow Me kits. They are beautiful ingredients in every single one of these products. They're natural products. I will leave the links down below so you can go on the website and have a look at these ingredients that will help your hair to grow. I will leave this giveaway open for a week. After a week today, it will be closed. But for now, I'm going, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. You take care and God bless you.